Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, astryx, an open source design system from Facebook that is not just fully customizable, but also agent-ready. We'll explore what it means to build UIs prepared for AI interaction and why this project is rapidly gaining attention from developers. What does a design system look like when it's built to power 13,000 internal applications? And what if it was also designed to collaborate with AI from the ground up? Meta's latest open-source project, astryx, offers a compelling answer. It challenges the long-held trade-offs between pre-built convenience and deep customization in user interface development. Astryx is a design system from Meta, born from 8 years of internal use and now available as open source. It's a comprehensive toolkit for building React applications. The system is designed to be fully customizable and agent-ready. That means it's optimized for human and AI developers to work together. The project, currently in beta, has quickly gained traction on GitHub, accumulating nearly 5,900 stars, with over 500 of those added in a single day. This rapid interest signals a potential shift in how developers think about UI libraries. Traditional design systems often force a difficult choice. Developers either pick a rigid, fully styled library that's hard to adapt to a unique brand, or they adopt a headless, unstyled library that requires a ton of initial setup. Customizing those lockdown components often involves messy CSS overrides or forking the entire library, which creates long-term maintenance headaches. Astryx aims to solve this by providing a system that is both fully functional out of the box and engineered for deep, clean customization. It also tackles an emerging challenge, making component libraries understandable and useful for AI coding assistants, which often struggle with complex or inconsistent APIs. The architecture of astryx is built on two key innovations: its styling philosophy and its tools for AI collaboration. First, let's talk about styling. Astryx uses StyleX, a compile-time CSS-in-JS library, also from Meta. Now, unlike libraries that process styles in the browser, StyleX generates static, atomic CSS files during the build process. This provides a zero runtime cost abstraction, which is a huge boost for performance. Theming is built on native CSS custom properties, which act like style variables. This means changing a theme is as simple as swapping a set of variables, completely separating the brand's look and feel from the component's logic. The second big innovation is the unique swizzle command. This feature acts as a controlled eject button. It lets developers export a component's full source code right into their own project for unlimited modification. It's an official escape hatch for when the standard props just aren't enough. Finally, its API, documentation, and command line interface, or CLI, are all designed as one single unified system. This ensures that both a human developer and an AI agent are working from the same set of rules and tools, making AI-generated code more reliable and predictable. So, who is astryx for in the real world? It's for any team using React. A startup could use its pre-built themes and templates to quickly assemble a professional-looking interface. A large enterprise could adopt it to standardized design across multiple products, while still giving individual teams the flexibility to customize for their specific needs. And crucially, developers who rely on AI assistants like GitHub Copilot will find that the coherent API and documentation lead to more accurate and efficient code suggestions. The barrier to entry is low. A basic setup requires only a few package installs and CSS imports, with no complex build configuration needed to get started. Community discussion is still in its early stages, with most people feeling positive but also just watching to see what happens. Most of the dialogue so far is driven by tech media, which is highlighting the project's battle-tested origins and its agent-ready design. Since the project is still in beta, there isn't much concrete developer feedback from widespread, real-world use just yet. Developers are really just beginning to explore its capabilities. Despite its innovative design, astryx does face some potential challenges. For one, its foundation on StyleX, a relatively new technology, ties its fate to that library's adoption and long-term stability. The powerful swizzle feature, while offering a lot of freedom, also introduces a risk. Ejected components are disconnected from upstream updates. Without disciplined team practices, this could create significant maintenance burdens during future upgrades. The project is also betting on a specific future of AI collaboration, one that's centered around CLI tools. That's a paradigm that could easily evolve in different directions. Astryx presents a pragmatic and forward-looking solution to the classic design system dilemma. It delivers the speed of a fully styled library with the flexibility of a custom-built one. So why should you care? Because its AI-native architecture offers a clear glimpse into the future of software development itself.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.